guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are revisiting some old footage that Evan and I shot when we visited Kmart months and months ago. It is quite clear that it was a really long time ago when we filmed this because I am wearing a thick knitted jumper, jeans. It was clearly not 38-degree weather. So we're gonna jump back in time, have a look at that, show you some bits and pieces of when we're in the store, while I also talk to you about what we bought. So when Evan and I went on this shopping trip, it was back in it would have been at least October at the latest. And I was fully prepared to be super organized for Christmas. I was way on top of things. It was great. It was gonna be great. I was gonna be so organized. Didn't happen, clearly. But the first thing that we came across were these little chalkboard tags that I thought were adorable, and I decided I was going to use for my Christmas tags on like presents and stuff. Clearly I did not, but they are super cute and they are very handy. I will be able to use them at some point, but these were adorable and they were the first thing that I came across. We next ventured into the pet section because we needed to grab some more litter tray bags. The liners, whatever. We get the ones from Kmart because our litter tray box is from Kmart, so I get the Kmart ones. I don't know why I do because they are huge. Kai is having a big drink. Thank you. Lay down. Yes, not for you, it's for the cat. As I was saying, I don't know, he's got this all wet. Can you see? Anyway, as I was saying, I don't know why we get these ones. They're really big. They're way too big for the tray that Kmart sells that we bought. So I don't know why I keep buying them, but I do. So we got 3 boxes of these. I only have 1 left that I can show you. This might actually be a new one since that trip. But anyway, this is what we got. We got 3 of these in the pet section. And while we were in the pet section, we came across this book. This book was living in the pet beds for some reason. While it was like an empty shelf, there was meant to be pet beds on it, but there was no pet beds. There was this book instead. And I thought it was very cute. It's called The Little Book for Plant Parents by Felicity Hart. And it's just a cute little book of plants. And as you guys know, lately I have accidentally become a bit of a plant hoarder. So I thought this was adorable. It had no price on it, so we had to go on a little bit of a journey to figure out how much this book cost, as you will see. I should get this. Hey!
I won't.
Let's go scan and see how much it is. It's not ready to scan at all. It's not on.
It doesn't work.
It's not on.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
One eternity later.
Does it work?
It's on.
It's on there.
$12.
Okay.
We continued on the plant theme and went to venture through the home section, and I ended up with all the pots, with all the plant pots. That is where I ended up. That is where I always end up. And I did, in the footage, I did grab 2. I only ended up getting this one. This is the olive pot. This one is gorgeous. I think this is a beautiful color. I did show you in last week's video, I got that sage green plastic pot thing. I like this one way better. The color-wise, and this is also a ceramic one. But anyway, in the video, I found 2 pots. I thought I got both. Clearly I didn't, because I don't know where the other one is. I must have put it back because in most of the footage I am only holding this one. So I think I must have ended up putting it back. This one was $3, I think. And yeah, I think it's beautiful. It's a really nice color and it's just a good size to put plastic pots inside of. So yeah.
It's a pot. God, that back really keeps walking back and forth.
I don't need more pots today. This one's $3, this one's $7.
Still too much.
We're getting them both.
What?
The other plant-related thing that I was so excited to come across were these rocks. Such a strange fascination. Anyway, Kmart has 3 types of these. They have the white, they have like a coloured sort of one that's like brown mixtured sort of rock that is ugly. In the video I found the white ones. They had these 2 packets of white and then about 40 packets of the brown ugly ones. So I grabbed these because I have been wanting them for ages and ages and ages. I didn't want to do a click and collect through lockdown for these because they are assorted and you get whatever you get when you order them online. So they are literally called assorted pebbles. So I had been wanting the white ones and the black ones, but I didn't want to order them online because I didn't want the ugly brown ones. But I found the white ones in store that day, and since then I have also found the black ones as well. So I now have all of these pebbles. My plan for these is to kind of sprinkle them on top of some of my plants to make them look a bit cuter because the dirt is pretty ugly on some of them, to be honest. So yeah, I've got 4 in total, 2 of each color, and I'm quite happy about it, and I have yet to do anything with them. So now I can because I've shown you guys.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
The final thing that I had to like wrestle out of the shelves, the state of the shelves with calendars was horrendous. Anyway, but I ended up getting a big calendar. We have had this for ages and we have since gotten one for Christmas as well, so now we have 2 calendars. But the plan for this one was to have it up in my little filming room office anyway when we get that set up. The other one I am going to use, oh, it comes with cardboard in the middle. But anyway, the other one we are going to use like in the house. So, Kai, you can't eat it. He's trying to eat the cardboard. You moved the camera, buddy. So this is the design. It is a floral print designed one. These are all of the months. The only thing I'm not super fond of is the fact that this is all gold, but there could be worse problems than that. So anyway, this is the month layout. As you guys know, we have a to-do list, we have a goals list. I like lists, so it is nice to have this big page that I can write things on, check things off on my little lists, and yeah. So this is the calendar that I grabbed for my filming room. I think it's just gorgeous. The aesthetic is very pretty. Like, that's pretty. I'm pretty sure that matches my diary, that pattern. But, or it's very similar. But yeah, March is gorgeous. I love the darker colors a lot more. April, my birthday month. They're all just very, very pretty. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not sure how it turned out editing wise because the shot with me version was filmed so long ago. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Let me know if you would like me to repeat this and try and actually do it functionally in one day rather than leaving it for like 3.5 months. And with that, I will see you next week. Leave a like and a comment. I've already said that. Follow me on Instagram. Haven't said that one yet. Subscribe to my channel so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers this year. And I will see you next week. Bye, guys. Are you guys ready now? Do you want to go outside? Yeah. You want to sniff the stuff. Do you want to go outside? Oh, she's gone.
Yeah.